a letter that had been sent by the local government in regards to the salary scales, or rather the steps in the salary scales. It's a letter dated November 15, 2021. And it's regarding the steps in the salary scales. The salary scale scheme will be expanded from 15 steps to 20 steps in order to create perspective for all and to start compensating eligible employees accordingly. The new policy is as follows. Employees will be eligible to go to step 16 after being compensated in scale 15 for 4 years. After these 4 years, the increment in salary step 17 to 20 will take place every 2 years. And the policy will go into effect as of January 1st, 2022. So, when you think about it for a little bit, that means anybody who has worked in government for 15 years, and that could mean you started at 20 years old, 25 years old, and by the time you're 40, you have maxed out your scale. And if you've maxed out your scale, now you have to stay in the same scale, in the same steps, in the thing for 4 years before you can increase, and particularly if there's no adjustment of the cost of living increase annually, you are literally stuck.